Hello, today we're going to open up the first ever inspiration kit, January 2025. This is our first kit of the year. So opening it up, the first thing you're going to have is a sheet explaining what's in the kit and why. Are we highlighting a shape? Is it a new product launch? Are we highlighting a color? It also has marketing links on the back of it, which will also be sent for any of your social media or other marketing. You have marketing images for all the products that are in here. And this theme is all about the rectangle. So popular shape, classic design, never going to go out of style. But one thing that we've noticed is that the rectangles have gotten a lot skinnier and longer, to where they're a much skinnier, longer version of it. And so we already have our 1x9 RTO shape, and so we chose to highlight that shape in this 1x9. So 1x9 RTO, this is our Creme Fraiche Vintage Blend. We know a lot of you already have some Creme Fraiche boards, so on this board, instead of using the cream grout, we used a gray grout to show some variation of different grout colors that you can use. But 1x9 Creme Fraiche Vintage with a herringbone layout, and then on the back of it, you've got all of your information as far as the SKUs, the installation pictures, and all that sort of information. So one grouted board. The grouted board also comes with a cleat, if you need a cleat to put on the back of it for hanging on the wall. So the inspiration is about that 1x9 shape. You have the one grouted board, and then we have these boxes with additional options of the 1x9. So all of these will be labeled, so when you store them in your libraries, you can know what's in each box. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So first off, we have the product that we highlighted here, our Creme Fraiche 1x9. Has on the back part number, all the information on there. Number two, Kato Gold in a limestone finish, showing a different color, different finish option. Number three, Hacienda Flash, also in limestone, so a different color in that options. And then lastly, to show a different variation of it, this is Rice in Smooth, so a more modern version in our rice color. So one grouted board to highlight the shape, and then four different other shapes, cards to highlight different colors, different textures, different variations that you can do within it. So the first theme was our 1x9 RTO, but we threw in a bonus for our first ever kit. So as a bonus, we added some additional options, which are the Olesen series in 3x9 ceramic. So Olesen is a series of clay that we make with a pillowed edge. So everything has a soft, time-worn edge to it. And we included 10 loose pieces in your kit, all in the 3x9 shape. So leather, black diamond, white bread, red iron, aloe vera, snowflake, light copper, Sierra snow, real teal, and finally, chocolate bar. With darker tones coming in trend, we made sure to put in a lot of the darker, earthier browns in here and the caramels to keep you on trend. But this is just some additional options that we wanted to add in the rectangle shape, but with a nice pillowed edge, our Olesen collection.